place where the family meets. It is a place where culinary masterpieces can be created. It is a place where memories are made. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Memela-Makhubo. I'm from a business called Beautifly Consultancy. I'm a qualified interior designer who specializes in designing, manufacturing, and installing designer kitchens. Note, designer kitchens. My team and I are highly trained in using our renowned products in designing the perfect kitchens for our clients. But we do more than create perfect kitchens. We create spaces where personalities comes alive. I'm sure you guys are wondering, what is a personalized kitchen? What is a customized kitchen? It's little things that we put in the kitchens that make a kitchen a personalized kitchen. Your handles, your taps, countertops, and colors that we choose for you. People say I do color blocking kitchens. That's what kitchens that I do. I do not do your Formica kitchens, your mahogany colors. I do color blocking kitchens. So any color you want, we can do that for you. I get a question every time that, how did you go into the men's industry? Because apparently carpentry is a men's industry. I went by default. Created my mother's kitchen. Somebody loved it. Then did somebody's kitchen. Somebody came into their kitchen and they loved that kitchen. So what I do, I give you a full package of a kitchen. Normally you get a carpenter. A typical carpenter, black carpenter, is a carpenter that will come through, fit your kitchen, and then they leave. Then you must find a tiler to come tile your kitchen. Then you must find a plumber to come fit your sink. Then you must find an electrician to come do your plugs. I do the full package. By the time I leave, you take your pot, put it on your stove, and start cooking. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. My company is called Beautifly Consultancy. You can find me on Facebook. Telephone number is 011-943-3748. Cell 084-214-7004. Thank you.